Are you struggling to price your newborn photography in a way that is profitable and sustainable and serves your clients well and your family well and yourself well? Okay, so one of the best decisions I ever made as a newborn photographer was restructuring my packages in a way where it was literally exactly what my ideal clients were looking for, and it led me to creating a four-figure newborn photography package. And if you are like me and you're kind of like, four-figure, what does that mean? It means a newborn photography package that is over $1,000, and it is a very popular package that a lot of my newborn clients decide to book. So in this video, we are going to be talking all about like how I made that happen and how I was able to just structure my newborn photography business in a way that is very profitable, serves myself and my clients and my family well. Okay, so the one thing you want to think about is making sure you're pricing packages that will sell. So when you are figuring out not only your cost, like when you do your cost of doing business and you're looking at your income goals and all of those things, you're not only looking at all of that, but you're also looking at, okay, who is my ideal client and what are their wants, desires, what are their needs, what are their pain points, okay? And if you're someone who is struggling to figure all this out, I've got a couple of resources down below for you. One is my free ideal client workbook. That is going to be so helpful for you if it's been a while since you have figured out your ideal client. A lot of times those change as our business grows and changes. And then the other thing is, if you've never done your ideal client workbook, this is kind of like step one when it comes to any type of marketing, is figuring out your ideal client. If you don't know who you're marketing to, then your marketing is not going to be very effective. So I want you to go ahead and download that free ideal client workbook. And then the other thing I have for you is my new AI pricing coach. So this coach has been trained on everything, all of my knowledge of building a successful photography business over the past 10 years. And it's not just trained on my structure, on how I price my packages, it is trained on how to figure out the best pricing and packages for you based on all of your customized details and your ideal clients. So based on your location, your income needs, your cost of doing business, your goals, it is going to figure out literally the exact prices you should charge and how to structure your packages in a way that this is going to be irresistible to your ideal clients. It's going to help you overcome pricing objections and talk about your pricing and packages in a way that communicates your value instead of scaring clients off. And it's going to help you figure out your cost of doing business. So I really highly recommend jumping into this. It is so affordable, you guys. So many photographers struggle with pricing, and it has been my goal for so long to create a very affordable resource that helps you figure out your pricing. And this will literally tell you what your exact number should be. So I really highly recommend jumping into that. Okay, so back to my main point, pricing and packages that sell. So we want to think about our ideal client and exactly what they're looking for. And that is going to be the main way that we're figuring out our packages. So a lot of times we as photographers like to think about just what we want or what we think what we think people will pay, what we think people want, instead of literally figuring out what our ideal clients want. And that was one of the mistakes I really made when I first switched over from the wedding photography world into the newborn and family photography world, is I was still structuring my packages in the same way, which I just wanted to be all inclusive. Like I wanted to have one high price that included everything. But I found that that's not what people were looking for. And I found that once I changed to a 3-package structure, then I was able to really hone in on what my ideal clients were looking for and give them exactly that, instead of just like a one size fits all one package solution. And so when I came up with these 3 packages, I actually found that most of my clients were willing to pay the extra money for the higher package when it was structured in a way that it was exactly what they were looking for. And then point number 2 is, if you are struggling with how to get people to pay more for your services, instead of thinking about just raising your prices, think about what else can I offer my clients in order to make this worth it for them. Instead, and things that don't cost you as much as you are charging them, right? So you want the higher price point to not be you want the higher price point to be higher than whatever cost it's going to cost you to offer additional services to them. So one way you can elevate your service, one way that I've elevated my services, is by building a client closet. So especially for newborn photos, for maternity and newborn photos, those clients love the dresses that I have because their body is changing so much at this point. They don't want to buy $100 dress that they're only going to wear once. And so the fact that I have curated so many dresses for them to choose from for their maternity and newborn session is a huge perk that my clients are willing to pay extra to come to me, a higher price photographer, for. So the client closet makes the session feel a lot more luxurious. And another way that I've elevated my client experience is by offering video. So when you kind of add things on like that, like adding video onto my session, it really doesn't cost me anything. I'm already there doing the session. I switch my camera to video mode and take video. It's not hard to do both those things at the same time. It does take me extra time in editing, but the session videos don't take as long to edit as you may think if you've never done it before. So it doesn't cost me that much. It doesn't cost me anything financially to add on video. It costs me a little bit more time, but it's something that clients are willing to pay a lot more for. And so I'm able to make a lot more money per client by adding that on. And then the last thing you want to do if you are struggling with raising your prices is making sure you're improving your craft, right? So people want to pay a lot of money if they know they're getting the best. So maybe you can improve your swaddling technique with newborns. Maybe you're not even swaddling newborns yet. That was something I struggled with when I first started with lifestyle newborn photography, is I thought okay, this is lifestyle. They can swaddle their own baby. That's not what we do. That's what pose newborn photographers do. And that's not true. If you are more hands-on, you swaddle the baby yourself, you bring clothes for the baby, all those things, those are just things that are going to make you stand out from other photographers. It's going to improve your work when you're the one who swaddles the baby instead of the parents. It's going to look better if you figure out how to do it well. And that's just going to be one more thing that really communicates your high value compared to other photographers. And then you want to make sure that you are really, really experienced with lighting, because, with newborn photography, we're not just shooting outdoors at golden hour. We are shooting in dark homes sometimes. And how do we handle that as a professional and make sure our photos are still just as beautiful as our outdoor golden hour photos are, okay? And so if you are someone who is struggling with posing newborns and everything that goes into that and making sure your photos are beautiful from that side of things, or maybe you're just posing your lifestyle newborn sessions the same as you would a family session, that's one mistake I see a lot of photographers make, because clients think, why am I paying extra for newborn photos when it just looks the same as family photos? Why don't I just wait and get family photos? And so if you pose your newborn photos like newborn photos instead of like family photos, that is really going to give you a huge edge on other photographers, or even convince clients to spend money with you on newborn photos when otherwise they may just say to themselves, like, I'll just wait and get family photos when the baby's older. So if you learn all of that, that is really going to help you. And I have a free posing guide for you for your newborn sessions if that is something that you're struggling with. So I will link that down below. And then if you're struggling with lighting or camera settings in those dark homes, I actually, no matter how dark the home is, I do not use flash. I came from the wedding industry, and so I am very experienced with flash, and I did use flash when I first started out with newborn photography, and I just think natural light is so much more beautiful if you learn how to use it well. Obviously, people use it in a way where it doesn't look good, but I have a free camera settings guide for you for how to use natural light only, even in dark homes, for those in-home newborn sessions. So that's going to be free, and I will link that down below. So just to recap, we are pricing our packages in a way that sell because we are catering exactly to what our ideal client is looking for. We are elevating our client experience, and we are improving our craft. That is how we are going to build those newborn photography packages that are 4 figures that our clients want to book because they're irresistible to our ideal clients. If you are someone who is struggling with figuring out how to price your newborn photography and how to structure your packages in a way that they are irresistible to your ideal clients, please go ahead and jump into that new coaching, the customized AI coaching that I have for you. So many people have jumped into it already and have just been telling me how helpful it's been for them in their business, and I really want that for you too. It is insanely affordable. So let me know if you have any questions about pricing your newborn photography, building out your newborn photography packages, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.